4. So we'll show you. This is blade number 4, correct? The mass is here. Somewhere else. Hmm? Now what I should do it here? I should take the steel rule. I will draw exactly parallel to the center, up to the center of the mass. I will draw it like this, okay? Then I will draw that line from here. So like this, what I will do, this is my center of the blade. I will move the steel rule, this rule exactly parallel to this, because it should touch the center of the blade number 3, up to that. So the blade number 3 is here. This is the blade number 3, the center line. So this line I am going to move up to when it touches the center of the blade number 3. This is blade number 3. Understood this? So my point is here. Now what you have to do? Now blade number 3, which is inclined like this, the center line, you have to move this exactly parallel, and then from the center you need to draw it. Here. This is blade number 3. Then move it like this. So this blade which is there here, right, I am going to move it like this up to the center, then I am going to draw it. So this is my A. A is from here to here. This is A. This is my B. And this is R.
Teacher, so should it be attached to the center of the
Must.
blade?
It should this point. I have to start from here, then move it parallel to this, like this, up to the center of the mass.
Yes.
Center of the mass.
It's not touching the center.
Here.
Oh.
Okay? From here to here. Now this one is this point. Right. Now clear? This is your A, the B here, the center line, not this line, okay? Just forget about this line. The center line of the blade number 4. This is my B, and this line to this line is my R. Now I will measure how much is B and how much is R. 30. B is 30. 30. I think this is centimeter. is 6, R is 31. So if you want in millimeter, you can write B is equal to 300 millimeter, correct? 60 millimeter, R is 310 millimeter in terms of millimeter. If you want the answer to be in millimeter, you can write it. So we measured this one, A, B and R. So first what I did, this is the blade number 4, right? This center line is there, no? This one I moved parallel. I moved parallel up to the center of the mass. Then there is blade number 3, and I am touching up to the center line of the blade number 3. Then this line, this point, from the center point to this point, I am drawing a line parallel, and where up to the center of this mass to this line. Then I am writing this as A, and this is B, and this is R, and I am going to measure. And I want to calculate how much should be the mass here, how much should be the mass here. So this one I will write as MC1, correction mass 1, and this one I will write as MC2, correction mass 2. So to calculate that one, there is a rule how to calculate. MC1 is equal to MC divided by R into A. MC2 is equal to MC by R into B. So correction mass 1, MC1 is equal to MC, we got it as 109.85 divided by R is 310. You can write 31 also, okay? Into the B is 300.
So
What is MC1? If you do calculation,
106.
100.
106.30.
106.30 gram at 120 degree. MC2 MC by R into E into B. Sorry, this one should be A, no? MC1. It should be A. A is how much? 60. Yes. Make that correction. Huh? It should be A. MC1 is A. This is MC2 is equal to MC into B. So 109.85 divided by 310 into 60. You got something around 106.
No, teacher.
Here.
It's 21.
This A1 MC1 is
21.26.
MC2. Same, no? 106 point.
I think, yes.
This will not be exactly if you add these two, will not be exactly the same answer, like 109. It will be slightly more or slightly less at 180 degree. MC2. This is the correction of mass. That's all. So MC1, so much, 21.26, you put it here, and here you have to put 106 gram. But if you add, you will not get 109. It will be slightly more or less. Okay. That's all. Then this one is finished.